Tatlong silver coin.
I got another orca. But you don't know.
US dollar.
How did I get the first
1 dime.
cute monster? First one.
1 dime.
Oh shoot, another monster. Oh wait, I didn't talk to my monster. Another sea monster.
Ito,
We're trying to get
nagawa noong 1989. Yung ito nagawa noong 2006. Ito
I got 6
nagawa noong 2014.
a lot of them are the sea monsters. I want
Magkaiba na ang kanilang kulay.
I got another orca. Yippee! I
Ito
met
ay
another golden orca.
bilang ito pure na silver. Pure na silver. Ito hindi na ito pure silver, parang iba na ito. Parang silver na may halo na gold. Hindi ko na alam. Tama eh. Magkatulad na siya. 2006 at saka 2014. Parang walang kaibahan ng kanilang kulay. Pero silver pa rin ito eh. So ito ay talagang pure pa na silver. Pure na silver yung 1989. 1989. (2006) iba na ang kulay. 2014.
Wait, can I just tell you something? I can make a golden axolotl.
Yung likuran, itong likod.
I got the orca. Orca. I got orca.
Wow. One dime.
If I get one more long one. A golden long monster? Wait, I have a golden long monster. I have a golden axolotl. And oh, a golden orca. Okay.
1989 ito. Ito 2006 ito. Ganun na 2014. Parang ang kanilang kulay parang magkatulad na. Pero mas ito, mas parang gold ang kulay niya.
Please just give me orca.
Okay.